Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to open a Hamster Combat account. So, in order to do this, simply navigate to Play Store, go to the search bar, type in Telegram, then open the Telegram application. Here, you'll have to click on the install button that you will see and open a Telegram account. After installing the app, you can log in or sign up using your user credentials. After this, you will see the app's dashboard. Here, you'll have to simply click on the search icon at the top. So navigate to Telegram, click on search, then type in Hamster Combat. Then you will see Hamster Combat icon like this. Click on it, then you will see this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on the play button that you will see at the left corner of the screen. Now, this will instantly create your Hamster Combat account. So, you don't have to install any fancy applications, you don't have to do account creation on a specific page, but simply search for Hamster Combat in the Telegram, then click on the play button. After this, your Hamster account will be successfully created. So that is how you open a Hamster Combat account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.